Yeah, I think we are already live in YouTube. If anybody wanted to check our video, you can go to YouTube link and check it. So let's start with our team project from the beginning. So I'll be the pilot. So whomsoever can assist me with navigation can be a navigator.
Okay. I think V3 can be the navigator.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. Not yet, bro. I have no clue. Nobody is bro. Oh, if you don't want, I'll update them. So, yeah, I'll put it in group now. Put it in group. I didn't go outside. I'm actually in the Zoom connector. Okay. Can you just drop in a group and confirm them? Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bro. I'll start now.
Vignesh, are you recording?
Okay, actually it's live, so I think it will be recorded. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Can you all please mute inside the StreamYard? Oh, if you mute inside the StreamYard, it will not be audible, right? Okay. I think others can mute and I will be unmuted in StreamYard. This makes sense. Okay. Okay, this is good. Okay. I'm just starting. So for iteration zero, I mean in iteration one, we don't have anything in this page. I think it's just a test run. This is not readed until you are creating a project. I'm just going to next page. Actually, in Windows, I'm having a problem. Like when I click next, it is taking more time. I'll refresh it. Okay, this is the next page. I'll split my view. Panels. Vertical. Isn't it shared there? Oh, oh, thanks for notifying that share audio. I'll do that also. Oh yeah, it's now screen recording is also there in the StreamYard. Okay. Okay, thank you. Did you say something? Your voice is breaking something.
Uh, Nothing, you can continue.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just creating a new project. Just tell me like if I'm missing any steps or I'm doing anything mistake, just update me now.
Okay, sure. Like in the first step, did you run that thing? You have already run that, right? Yeah. Okay.
No, the first page is like a test script that is not required. From this page we have to start.
Yeah.
We have to replace our project name here. Okay, so I think the project name. Okay. By this time, our site should have loaded now. Deals for all is not still updated. Is it not updated? You need to refresh it again. Oh yeah, it is there now. So I'll split my views again. Getting Deals for all. Next step is in your gem log file. Make sure bundle you have to change it now. Gem log file. Here. Bundle you have to modify it such that it is 1.70. 17.3. Okay. Next, to make sure in your gem file we need to add this content. General area. So this is the general area. And also we need to remove SQLite from the general area. Count out. Okay, I'm removing SQLite. Oh, SQLite or SQLite 3?
It's SQLite.
I think this is updated. Command out gem JBuilder. We have to remove it. This is the JBuilder. Okay.
I comment that also.
Sessions 2 development environment. You have to modify this slightly. Oh, this also we have to comment out here. And we have to make this modification in the development group.
Yeah.
So development test or development, this should be fine. Development tester and do. Okay. Okay. A test group. Oh, they have mentioned it as test group. It should be here. Okay. Everything is saved now. Production group. We have to copy this content and create a production group as well. Okay. Navigate to root directory of a project, and now we have to do bundle install without production. This is a root directory. Okay, we have installed all the necessary dependencies now. Modify your template engine in config application.rb. Inserting a following block inside the class file. Where is our class file? Our class file is here. And we have to copy this content and paste it here. Okay. Now everything is done. We have to generate our XAML files. Terminal. What happened? Is it installing?
I
Yeah,
think
okay.
it will take some time to.
I'll go and check app view layout.
Yeah, now it got.
I don't think so. It's okay. I just got it. Now it is getting better. There is a file name. Oh, it's created already.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's expand it.
Now we have to delete that ERB file.
Yeah, it is ERB. You have to delete, right? Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, I will mute myself in Zoom. Is it better now? Okay.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay, ERB file is deleted. What are the other files? Testing tools. I think only if it is error, we have to use this. Yeah. Okay, it created. Spec. We have to install. Okay, RSpec is generated. Find the RSpec file now. RSpec is here. Should be somewhat above, and we have to add the current formattings. Okay. Now we have to run Cucumber. Okay, it matched perfectly. Zero scenarios. Now we will initiate a spec.
Is it running? Or
I don't think so. It's running. I'll try it again. Okay, it ran now. So zero examples and zero failure.
yeah,
Okay,
okay.
it's perfect till now. When you actually have some examples to run, there will be a problem. Yeah, this is we have fixed. This is not an issue for us. This information we don't need to have since we don't have an error. We'll proceed.
Yeah.
So now we have to git init and add it. Okay, now it.
And,
So shall we create a new git project for it now?
yeah, uh, we can create a new.
Just tell me some name. What is the name we'll get?
Deals for
Okay.
give
Theme
small.
project.
Give small limits. Anything.
Oh,
Oh,
it doesn't. It's taking in whichever sense.
I
This
think
case,
maybe you can delete the other one.
you don't need that. Mm, okay.
Maybe otherwise leave it like that and give another name.
We'll create deals for all, like the new one. Deals for all project, team project. Will give.
Hmm.
It should be public. That's it now. No template. Okay, first I will add everything. Git add. Yes. Everything is added as of now. We have completed this step. Next, we will see how to push in the next third part. Why it's not loading actually? I have to refresh every time to load the next setup page. File save as. Okay. Okay. So now CD fields for all. The team decided on account to master to main. It is now changed. Okay. So same name. Create a new repository with the same name as a root folder in Codio. It means like this one, right?
Uh, yeah, correct. I mean, we have already created it.
Then we have created another name now. Is it fine?
Oh, I think better to have the same name, no?
Then we'll delete the old one.
Yeah, yeah, we can delete these two and delete this.
The same name. So just public, nothing else counted.
Here you give all, okay. Here you give all small letters, right?
Yeah, yeah. They're also same small letters.
Okay.
Okay, so successfully repository is created in Git now. We have URL. Next, in the root of your folder, we have to now add origin. We need to add the repo to our code now. Add origin. I think we have the command here. So git remote add origin. Like this is the command.
That.
So we are adding the origin. Yes, Sarsha.
Nothing. You
Like
can continue.
Do we need Zoom? Since we are connected in SteamYard, do we need Zoom also?
No need, no need. We'll,
Okay, let the Zoom end. I think it will end
yeah,
in 10 minutes. Let it be.
yeah, yeah.
So we will set the branch as main. Do you
Branch
remember
name.
this error?
Right, branch manager.
Actually, Arsha also got the same error, and we fixed it somehow on that day. Actually, I think we need to hit, push it and push.
Main spelling.
I remember this error very well. Oh, main spelling is not correct. But still,
Vector person.
actually, I did fix this error on that day, but I forgot what I did. Arsha, you
Go.
remember what we did on that day to fix this issue?
Exactly, don't know much.
I think we did something like we had to set the branch. I think we didn't set the branch itself.
Hello.
No, we'll first commit and set a branch. I think we are missing this step only. We have to set commit first of all. Git commit. Mm, go for it's for- okay. Now it is committed. Now branch is created. Now if we see git branch showing something. Okay, main is there. So this is our base repository now. Now what we need to is we need to push it to our main, the branch which we have created. Are you guys able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. Oh, name is wrong. Okay.
Gita.
The username I have created. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so everything is pushed to our code. Hopefully it should be reflecting here as well. Okay, everything is good now. Now the next thing is we have the code to verify everything is done here. You shouldn't directly push it. Okay, above the
Yeah.
GitHub tree,
Yeah.
now we should create a branch now.
New branch.
Iteration one.
Iteration. Yeah.
Main, create a branch. Iteration main. Okay. Okay. Now we have created a branch. From code, we don't need to create it. This is we have done already. Iteration branch is completed development. So far, this code has been reviewed by the customer for acceptance. Okay. So we need to modify for iteration one from here on.
Yeah. Euros come.
Now we have to hit pull origin.
N.
Oh, sorry. Already everything is up to date. All iteration one is pushed there. Now git checkout.
Checkout iteration.
Switch it to okay. Git
Yeah,
checkout means
now
it
switch to
change the
iteration.
branch from main to iteration on. Branch if see it will show iteration on a selected one. Okay, got it. I edit the readme doc. So if you see, this is the readme doc. So that iteration one is on the first line of the document. Saved this. Apart from the setup, you don't ever push it directly to iteration branch, except creating and setting up. Okay.
Okay, now we can push that to,
Now we have to push it in the terminal, right?
yeah,
Git
push
add commit
station.
readme document. Okay, one file is changed. Git status. Okay, git tree is clean. Now git push.
Origin
Uh,
iteration.
iteration one. Next one. Okay, so I'm just clearing everything is pushed as of now. Let us go refresh and see our code. There is 44 seconds, some changes are there. So this code should have the content iteration on whatever you replace. So yeah, it reflected much. So this is working now. Okay. Examine content is also done. Create branches is also done. Git branch, yes, currently I'm entering branch. If an issue is active one or what is this? Modifications it shows. Okay. Clone the code and while working in the main branch, create a new project on Heroku and push your project code to it. Do we need to create a Heroku now? Clone the code and while working in the main branch, create a new project on Heroku and push your project code to it. Last time what we did while creating, did we create Heroku project by any chance?
Like we just
I
logged in
don't
and
remember we created a Heroku. Let me check. Mm, Does it take this much time? Okay, it's done. No, I think no, this doesn't need this one much. The previous one only we have done, so this doesn't need Heroku. We're working on it, creates a new project on Heroku and push. Okay, it is like finally when we need to push only, not now. Okay, we just proceed from here.
Okay.
Okay, so in fourth part, what we are doing, managing a remote and local repositories. Okay, this is next iteration for that. Before the next iteration, where is our iteration two?
I think
Before that,
one of don't doing.
the TV repository has access to the modification.
So everyone has to check out the feature then.
It's like we will just create a first feature for iteration one. We'll just create now.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll put it as iteration one or a feature file. Oh no, we'll just put it iteration one itself. What are the feature that we are working that we have to give actually?
Yeah. Uh,
Okay, everything is up to date. So we'll just give. Oh, no, we need to create a new feature, no? So we'll just go and create it in GitHub. That will be much easier. Mm, iteration one. What is iteration one? Landing page, right? I'll create like this.
yeah, I think that is fine.
Or do you want me to change the name?
That is fine. Maybe put just a hyphen in between. That's
Okay,
it's
cool. I created.
okay.
No worries. Okay, now I'll check in the code. Pull origin also is having it now. Git branch. We are still in iteration on git checkout. Uh, iteration one. Now we are switching to iteration one. Get to the origin. Everything's up to date. Okay. Now they are asking us to put a bundle install for safety again since we are in new branch.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, everything is installed.
Can
This is a task that we need to do in iteration here in this feature. Get a feature file of your landing page, user story, define one or more Cucumber steps, create a route for your landing page and route to it. Okay. And define a path for the Cucumber. Okay. Modify the apps bar views, layouts, application.html.haml. The flash file we have to take it from the previous project. Okay. Create a view of your landing page. Create a controller with the action for a landing page. And you have to run the Cucumber and test it if it's run. Once all the test has been created and passing, therefore all the code has been iteration has been written and tested and add and commit all your changes and verify your git status. Then finally you have to pull it and push it and compare the pull request and things. This is iteration one. Okay. Finally all the pull requests should be accepted. And it's like in GitHub only we have to work. It seems like after we are creating and changes, we need to go on the Git request and accept all the pull request, and those things we should be seeing here. That is the work they have asked us to done. Then we have to make changes in the payroll tracker. So I think we don't need to change anything in payroll tracker since like it is already verified with professor, right? Professor and Devansh also. So we don't need
yeah,
to
yeah.
change the old parts. We just do the code part alone, repo part alone. Okay.
So what is,
Mm.
yeah. Now, uh, what happened?
No, I was just looking like instrument. Okay, it's recording only.
Okay.
Okay, we will just do our iteration one, whatever the things we have done in the iteration one part here. Okay.
Yeah, we need not create the. Have you created a Flash HTML file?
No, we need to actually copy the Flash HTML from our previous thing, like 5.7 and their things we have worked on. From there, we have
Yeah,
to copy that and paste it here. Better
yeah.
created.
We have already done that project.
Yeah, we already have it.
Mm.
Or like, can someone like just copy and send me so that I'll just paste it here, so that we are in the same tab here.
Okay, okay, okay.
Zoom, we are not available now. In StreamYard, is there anything like sending? Chat is there now. So try to send me something in the Zoom StreamYard chat. Let's see if it is helpful or not.
Okay. I'll put it in the chat.
Hey guys, hello. Am I audible? Sandeep, Subbu, Harsha.
Macha, I already sent you that flash.html in my code from 5.7.
In which year? Which year sent? Uh,
Hello?
where you have sent, Macha? Hello.
Yeah. Is it audible?
Yeah. I'm able to hear. What about you?
Yeah, I'm able to hear. I sent you that 5.7 flash dot.
Where you have sent? Where?
I'll do you want me to send in the chat?
Yeah, I think it's better to send in the StreamYard chat.
Okay, I'll share. Mm, I'll send you there.
Oh, private chat. Okay, it's there. So just give me a minute. I'm just looking for the files.
So what happened?
No. I'm just there are some issues. StreamYard sharing the audio was not good, so now I just fixed it up.
Okay. Same here.
Okay. So some navigators can just go with the 5.7 and let me know the commands are like parts that we need to give for creating the controllers and those stuffs and all. Let, let me check. I think the controllers part will be there already, but we need to create our separate controllers, right? Like a session controller, every controllers, individual controllers.
I think Vignesh, in your one, I think 5.7 is done up to the last.
Yeah. Like about to complete, but still last part didn't work out.
Okay.
No. If somebody is there in 5.7 page, there'll be some comments given. Okay, to create the controllers, views, those parts and all. If somebody is there, can you just let me know?
Okay. Can you ping me in this chat so that I'll send you in this chat? So that will be done easily.
Okay, what you need from me?
Can you ping me in this StreamYard chat so that I'll send you that one, whatever you want.
Is this a private chat you are getting? You are getting my ping here? Okay, yeah, got it. So let me check the cucumber. Okay, no scenarios, no steps, nothing. Okay, use. So we'll go by task wise. feature file we have to create for your landing. Okay, page user story. These are feature. New file. Create welcome like just our welcome page or icon or land underscore landing something, and the format is dot feature file. Okay, so in the feature file, so I'll just copy the content from our pivotal tracker. So I'll just basically copy whatever the content that is available from the pivotal tracker, since because you already completed it. So this is our welcome page. As a developer, I wanted to use a grid so that whenever they log in, user seems to see the welcome message here. Okay, so the feature file is completed.
Is the then condition correct or we have to modify it?
Sorry, Sandeep, I'm not able to hear you.
No much, nothing. Yeah, this we need to change according to our project, right?
Yeah, this is for our project only.
Mm. Okay.
No, the reason this since like we have already given the thing in a pivotal tracker, professor mentioned you noted right. Like professor wanted to keep the pivotal trackers feature file and all the content same to our Codio. So just go with the same. What
Yeah.
professor?
Okay. Okay.
I'm just saving the feature file. If in one or more cucumber steps now, we have to create the cucumber steps. Okay. So we need to navigate to step definitions, and I think we need to create one more Ruby file for cucumber. That is okay. I'll just it's not working. I'll just refresh my page. During the welcome page, we need to see this content. So this is part we are routing it, and they asked us to create a route for our landing page. So route should be in paths. Nothing is working. I'm not able to open any files. Paths. moving steps, paths, paths. Okay.
Vignesh, do you want me to send that 5 points on path one?
Yeah, please send in our chat itself, bro. I'll take it from there.
Mm. Path start
Modify.
asking the features file, right? Support.
Mm, yeah. Under features, support paths.org. I'm not able to open, so I'm going to refresh my page again.
Can you cross check with your one so that whether it is correct or not?
Yeah, I will cross check. Yeah,
Mm.
because 5.7 is different. We will need to add for our content. Deals also all content here.
Okay, okay.
Support file now. Cucumber paths we have to modify. Okay, I'm just looking for your content. So if you see, they defined the paths for case page number, and we need to create the path for a landing page specially. Create a path here.
Okay.
Like for landing page, we need to create separate root path. This is the main landing page path.
I think that we are done. Wait, I'll send you in this private chat. I stream your chat so that we'll get.
So we don't need this default home page path. So I'm just removing the content.
Like Vignesh, same as this, we need to change our that landing page as deals for always. Yeah, same.
Same, right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, same. You got that?
Okay. Okay, this is correct. This won't work. This is not needed. I think we can save it. That's it. Path is already fine. Modify the layout application.html. We need to modify the UI part now, and then add the flash.html which are chosen. I'll go to UI now. There is our UI. App views
Layout.
layout application.html. Okay, so this
Here
content,
we need to give our
yeah.
style. The limit.
My screen stopped. Oh, okay. Why my screen stopped? Okay. So we need two things here. One is flash file and one is or footer file.
I think Vignesh, you're getting call something. I'm getting disturbance.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm back now. So I have been doing the UI part. So I need, as per the design, we need the flash and the footer file. So I'm just going to add those content also here. So I'm creating a new file for flash. First of all, I'm just copying the content which Harsha has given. So this content is from our previous 5.7. Okay, I'm saving it. Next, I need a footer file for our UI. The footer file as per our design, I'm just getting that design code content. In the footer, I don't have anything other than the logout functionality. I'm just giving the logout functionality here. So basically, all the things we need for UI is done. Create a view for a landing page, yeah, that is done. Create a controller with action for a landing page. Now we just need to go for the main methods. So we need to create the controllers like for our landing page. We'll just create something called welcome controller page. I'm just creating new file. Welcome controller.orb is a file name. Let it be for the landing page. For simplicity, I'm just giving the name. And so inside the application controller, we should have the login functionality. Yes, I have done it. So and in application controller, just make sure everything is right. In application controller, we need to keep it the same as of now because we don't have any users added as of now. So let us keep the same. What are the other things here? Start running the cucumber and we'll see if there is any errors or not. Firstly, it should be more errors, then we have to fix them up. Is it hung up? Okay, one we have given, it is failing. When I go to the landing page, in the web steps, it is failing. Okay. Hello, Sandeep. Sandeep, you are muted.
Hello.
Yeah, Sandeep.
Yeah.
We were having issues while we are doing now, like same thing, like it is failing. Do you know like where we have to change, where we have to look for?
Uh,
The main thing is
Define
the
local
feature file
variable.
we have defined it. Okay, the welcome landing page, the features we have defined it, and for this content we have to create a web definitions, web steps. Okay, just check for the previous. I will also check
Like,
what's
try going to the config file
okay.
and uh, check, check the environment. Oh, okay. Go to the spec file in the features.
Yeah, I
In the
think no, the
features,
features
both.
here only we have to add the content now. If the content is available, it should allow the condition to get
Yeah, yeah.
passed.
But in
Okay.
the paths also we have to change these things. Like only then go to the support folder.
Okay.
In the path.rb.
No, here we'll just modify the path alone. We need to add the web steps and the movie steps here. Let me check that.
Macha, show me the error. What exactly we are getting?
Yeah, if you see the error, it is like
Yeah, when I go to the landing page, the
I
features.
think we didn't set the cucumber root path. If you see in the paths.rb, it is not pointing. Okay. See, it shows like support paths.rb in path 2. We didn't set it properly. Paths.rb, line number 17. Root path, we didn't set it.
Macha, type break routes in the terminal.
No, we didn't keep the root path much. That
Yeah.
is the issue actually. So we need to change the root path in our routes.rb. We missed it. That step we missed. So if you see, we didn't define any path where if we call that it should go. So we'll edit that here. So now in web steps, the features that we have should go to the mapped area, mapped paths. So let me save all and try it again.
Macha, we need to create a welcome landing page in the layouts. I think views layout.
No, we have
Go to
created now. We didn't create a view for it.
views folder in app views.
Oh, we didn't create a view itself, bro. Yeah, that's correct.
Landing page.
We didn't create a view itself for our landing page. We missed that. Oh, this step we have missed it. See. Okay, okay, got the point. I'll just create the view. So maybe I will create it over here, or I'll just create a new folder. Like, well, instead I'll create a new file. Landing page. That landing page will have only content like what we are defined in the feature page to check the latest deals. Basically, when a user comes, we just remove this empty space. Okay, this is the cause of the first header issue. So to check the latest deals Create an account or log in with the GitHub. Yeah, this should be good. Now let us try again. Exactly. Now it went good.
So
So,
now it got created, right?
yeah, it got created now. So shall we make the server up and run? Let us check until this how it comes. So I'm just making the bundle exec command. What's up? I'll just set in new browser tab URL correct only. Perfect. Deals for all, welcome. Our login page is here. Everything is here. Okay. So till this, everything is perfect. So iteration one landing page has been created successfully now.
Yeah.
What are they asking us? Once all the test has been created and passed, yeah, it is passed. Therefore, all of the code of iteration has been written and tested. And now we have to push this code from our local. Just cutting
Okay.
the shutting down the server. Git add with all the modifications. Commit name. Created a landing page. Iteration one. Okay, I have updated it. Now we need to push our engine or iteration on branch name. I forgot. I'll just take it from here. IT1 landing page. It is IT1 landing page. Okay, this is getting pushed now. Okay, you guys are able to see it, right? My screen
Mm-hmm.
now. Okay, so it is pushed now. So I'm just checking if the code timestamp is changed.
I think with this iteration, one is completed, right?
Hey, iteration one is completed now. So landing page, deals for all. If you see 2 months ago, I have just changed the settings now. All the files are changed here, so time is updated here, and it is asking us to check for the other iterations. Okay, perfect. This is correct, and this is the UI page. Since we have created the welcome page, it is working perfectly. Now
Yeah.
moving on to the next step. Git push feature changes to here. This is done. Now click on compare and pull request button. Can someone read this? I will be in the GitHub page. Can someone just read that part? If you are in before of the screen. Okay, I'll do that. Click on compare and pull request button. You'll be on open pull request. Okay. Okay, open pull request page. We are here. Click on a button that reads base main and change the base branch to iteration 1 now.
Got. Which in which step you are now? Like 13th one?
Can you just read this? No, eighth one. Can you just read the eighth one, eighth line from
Yeah.
8? Thank you.
So click on the compare and pull request button.
Okay, then
You will be on the open to pull request page.
correct. Yeah.
Click on the button that reads base colon main
Okay.
and change the base branch to iteration 1.
Okay, done.
Make sure the compare button reads compare colon the name of the feature branch.
Okay.
If not, change it and then click on the create pull request button.
Okay. So it basically like now we are trying to compare the request from our feature file to the main branch iteration one which you have created.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Now next time.
Next step is make sure that all information about your feature is up to date on Pivotal Tracker, and then that you have changed your status to finish. Okay.
Then I
Uh,
have to click create pull request, right? Okay. I'll do the step.
yeah, yeah.
Create a
Now the compare button is reading the compare colon iteration 2.
if not change it and click on the create one. I didn't get your point, Sandeep. What is it? See, I have created a pull request now. So now it is basically like all the conflicts are gone since we have updated everything is like pull is the maximum level. Just merge it and confirm so that it gets updated. Pull request is successfully merged and closed. Okay. So that's it. The merge is also successful now. So if we go back to our iteration 1, our latest changes of whatever we have been doing for the last landing page iteration 1 will be updated to our iteration 1. This is done now. So basically we are creating another dummy branch which is nothing but iteration landing page. Since we shouldn't push to the production thing, we are creating a dummy branch and from there we are doing all the changes and there from there we are creating a pull request and pushing it to iteration 1. Okay, so now iteration 1 has all the latest changes of landing page.
Yeah, yeah,
Got it?
yeah, correct.
Okay, so eighth point is done. Ninth point, make sure that all of information about your feature will is up to date. Pivotal tracker we have already completed, so no
Yeah,
more changes
and
needed on pivotal tracker.
yeah. Then set up a meeting with your team to review your code changes and approve or reject your pull request.
So pull request also is approved since we all are here. That is also done.
Yeah, that is also done. And next step is all team members must review the changes and sign off on them. Click on the pull request tab for the repository, note or add comments under the conversation, examine commits, and discuss and review files change.
Okay, so basically like we have done 11, 12, 13 also. Since we have seen like we saw the pull request which we gave and we have merged
Approved
also,
it.
confirm merge also we have done. So it is done now. So in pivotal tracker we have given it to professor's thing and she also accepted and we have delivered it also.
Delivery is
So
also done.
basically we have completed all 14 points here.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, shall we go to next one? Oh, what is this now? Let me just create the basic setup.
Okay, I'll just read out the points. Maybe we'll understand
No,
it better.
that would be better.
Once all the work for an iteration is complete, create a pull request for each iteration feature and meet with the customer. Okay, so that is we have to check with our professor. I mean,
Okay.
yeah. And then the second step is clone the project code, pull from origin and switch into the iteration branch. Uh,
Uh, okay, they're asking us to clone the project code and pull from the origin. Iteration branch means we are going back to the iteration one or
I
new
think
iteration we
this
are
step
going.
is for the other team members, right? Like we have to clone the project code from our side and pull it from the origin and switch it to the iteration branch.
Okay, okay. Yeah, then we'll just go
Yeah,
proceed
like
reading all the
this is
steps.
like demonstrating it to our professor like
Got
before
it,
we
got it, got it, got
right
it, got
because
it.
everyone has to get those pulled in our system, right? So
Oh, yeah, yeah. I think, yeah, yeah, you're absolutely correct. So it is like basically we are just creating for all others and we are just confirming everything is working or not.
yeah.
So
Then
point 7 is like only fully merged. You can delete any branches. which are no longer used. So once everything is done, we can just, once everything is pushed to the iteration branch, which is our primary branch, we don't need any other branches, so we can delete them if not needed.
Yeah.
Are they saying anything about Heroku in point 6?
If the customer accepts the feature, merge it with the main, clone it, and push your changes to Heroku. Make sure that the customer approves of the production version. If a problem is detected at the stage, treat it like a bug. Okay, they
Okay,
are just
last only
asking us
will be
to
creating Heroku
push
now.
it
We
to,
don't need it now.
like they are asking us to push it to Heroku. Whatever changes we have done.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay, at last, once we are done with all, we'll just push it. Not now.
Once fully merged, you can delete any branches which are no longer used. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next point, next thing will go, Sandeep.
Okay. So coming to the iteration one development, your iteration one feature will consist of creating a welcome or landing page for your project. Okay. Then it should display your project name as well as a short description, which will motivate visitors to register. Okay. If you want, you can have it linked to an about page and implement this user story once you have finished your first feature. Okay. So the first feature will be to give a name for the landing page. I mean project name as well as the description of it. So once it is done, we can actually add a link to the about page as well. Okay, then do not attempt to implement registration or login yet. They are not part
Mm-hmm.
of this iteration. Okay. Then remember that when developing with the agile process model, we create the minimum code base that will satisfy our test. Do not add needless bells and whistles. All of the code written must be motivated only by the user story scenarios and the test which verify their completion. If you have it, uh,
Macha, I
Mm-hmm.
think we asked her to meet today. I think so. So let us post a message to her so that we'll connect you tomorrow.
Okay, I will drop a
She's not.
note.
She's in online.
She's online only. I'll just drop a note to Professor.
Anyway, we have completed this iteration one till from, I mean,
Hmm.
about to complete the iteration one from scratch, right? So maybe you can,
Shall I tell like we are like
As of now, we are completed the iteration one. If you want to meet us, so that we are already in. No, 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 no. We'll complete it by tomorrow because tonight, na, she will tell like, how can you complete within a day? We'll complete it tomorrow. We need to do many things, right?
yeah, yeah, I'm proceeding with iteration 2. Okay.
If you want us to, do you want us to meet now? We are available. We are continuing with our work. Do you want us to meet now? Then we'll meet. Do you
We
want
don't
to?
need to mention today. We'll just say like so shall we keep a connect on
like
tomorrow?
if you want to check our progress anytime, we are open to
Yeah.
connect with you.
If you want to connect now, as she asked today, no.
If you want, if
So
you
that
want
we
us to
can.
connect, okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Do you get whether she's seen or not?
No, she is like offline. I think so. It was changed from online to offline, but okay, fine. Anyways, we have updated her. Let us see.
Mm.
Okay, let's see. Here's something. So what is the plan now? So you guys had your dinner?
Mm. You want to have the dinner?
Yeah, I think so. I am also a human being. So
Yeah.
I will. So can you just connect back quickly, if possible, so that all can just take a quick break for a dinner and get back.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm.
we can take a break for dinner.
Hmm?
Like if
We'll
she
get back.
messages what?
Sorry.
If she messages you now?
No, I will update you guys. I'll just check. If she messages now, I'll update you. If
Sure,
we
sure.
wanted to connect.
Okay.
So when you will connect back? 10:30, 10:45,
Okay, 10:45. What
10:45. Good.
happened to Subbu?
Subbu.
He's not there.
Mr. Subramaniam Udyam Shekhar is not there in call.
He's not there from second time we connected.
Okay, good,
It's okay.
good. It's okay. I'll update him. Yeah. Okay, fine. We'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Yeah.
10:45. I'll get back.
Okay, sure.
And let me just try to stop the broadcast.